Now, you want to first start by using either a wide tooth comb or a venting brush, combing gently from the ends of your hair, starting with the ends and working your way up. Detangle the hair gently. Gently, do not tug. Take your time. Once you've combed through the hair, you want to use a moisturizing and detangling shampoo, a detangling and conditioning conditioner, as well as a toothbrush or an edge controller brush to really clean out your lace if you put makeup and glue on it. Now, after we saturated the hair with water, we made sure that it was completely wet. We take our shampoo, a generous amount. We gently, evenly distribute the hair from the top to the bottom, lightly and gently working it in the hair. You don't want to do too much vigorous movement. You don't want to wash it as if you're washing a towel. Just gently back and forth, just moving it through. Now you can see where the brush comes into place. You use this brush to really get in the lace, clean out the makeup, glue, or product on your closures, lace, or the wigs. Make sure you rinse with cool water. Get all of the product out, and with a generous amount of your conditioner, starting with the ends, working your way up, saturate the hair with your conditioner. Let it settle, let it sit there for at least 10 minutes, the conditioner, and really treat your hair.